What are some risk factors for cervical cancer? Let's run through a few of them. So, number one, there's increased exposure to HPV or the human papillomavirus. So, what do we mean by that? So, let's say if a person has an earlier sexual debut, so they're actually starting to have sex earlier, that can increase their exposure to HPV. If one has multiple partners, similar situation. Or let's say a person themselves may not have a whole lot of partners, but what if their partners have a lot of partners? So that's going to increase one's exposure possibly to HPV, which is sexually transmitted. So that's one. The second is tobacco smoking as well. That can be an increased risk factor for cervical cancer. Also, if there's a family history, is there's an immediate family history, say mother or siblings, that's something that you want to be aware of so that your doctor can help you in deciding, okay, let's make sure we have these screenings up to date. So, those are a few risk factors to think about in terms of cervical cancer. Stay tuned for the second part, part two.